Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm actually in a trade as we speak. So yeah, uh, that's pretty tough. Here as I set this up because honestly and truthfully, this might be it for me, to be honest with you guys. Um, yeah, wow. Um, yeah, this might definitely be it. So we might just be kind of talking a little bit here, and I guess show you what it is I decided to take here um in this trade. Mm. I put the trade on like I typically do sometimes. Yeah, there we go. Mm. Yeah, there we go. Pushing on up. Wow. Man. All right. Yikes. Um, Not actually yikes. It was two two great winning trades, to be honest with you guys. And I didn't honestly, man, that's my bad. I didn't I didn't honestly expect that to happen. Um, I had the trade sitting there, but let's get into it real quick. Well, first let's start with where we are. All right. So as y'all know, we're doing a challenge, right? We sitting here. We've been doing a prop firm challenge, and we are 3 days. So just so you guys know, yesterday I did take one trade, um, and I made a couple $100 off of that trade, and that was it. That's all I did. I know I didn't show it, and that was because y'all remember I was busy and I wasn't gonna have time to really actually be, sitting on the live. So that's the reason why I didn't. But as y'all can see, right, we've hit three out of the 5 days so far. Right now, without counting today, and I guess I will count today and going to tell you where we will be sitting after today. But 3,000 off 3 days of trading, $3,333 of the 9,000 target. Our best day as of before today was 1,642 bucks, which is only 18%. Because remember, we have to make sure that we stay under 50%. We can't make more than 50% in any day. So now we are actually going to be good. And let's talk about what happened as I was going live and how I got filled on 2 trades. So actually today I took 2 trades, and now I'm up 2273.50 for today. Went 2 for 2, $2,273. Um, I would honestly still be in the trade. I should have just went on and tried to see if I could push it to the 3 grand, so that way made basically another $800. Would have put over 56. Uh, so it would have been over 6,000. But right now, sitting at $5,606. It sucks because I'm not going to trade anymore today live. That was good enough. I'm not going to push it, try to do anything. This is typically how I kind of trade. Honestly, if it wasn't for the combine, I would still be in these trades, looking for runners, looking for uh, nice areas to continue that push. So this is where we are. We're almost to the goal. We're going to continue to keep pushing and get to where we need to be. So after today, it'll be 4 out of 5 days, and then we basically need now about 3,400. We need 3,400 to pass the combine and to get to making profits. All right, let's go to these charts here. Okay. Now let's see what happened here. Now let me see. I hope that if I do this, I wonder if that helps. I hope that helps make this a whole lot bigger and a whole lot easier to see. Okay. So we're gonna start. I took 2 trades already, and I took ES and NQ. And like I said, I wasn't expecting to get filled, not that quickly, and also not right when I decided to go live. So what did I take? I had a trade sitting right here at 59.91.75. I had it sitting right there. And because at the time we was up in this area right here, and so I didn't think that it would come that quickly, and I thought I would have time to kind of talk through the trade and before it actually hit. Eventually it would hit, and we'll talk about it, so on and so forth. Not the case. It came in filled as soon as I went live at 8:30. That was the push that it got to go down and carry. And so I was in it, and I literally here, and I just took it up to here. That was it. I took it up for 6 points. So I got out. As y'all can see, it's still pushing up. And that's why I said, honestly and realistically, if I wouldn't have been in the combine, I would have still been in the trade. I could have let it run a little bit because, literally down to the last 2 days. And so I could have tried to make, 3 grand, which would make it, less than, 3 grand trading tomorrow. But one thing I want to talk about is the mental, because I have issues trading on Fridays. Fridays being the end of the week, for some reason, I'm one of those people that it's like I like to make everything and hit home runs on Fridays. That's my temperament. That's been my makeup. I personally suck at Fridays. I'm trying to push too hard, trying to do too much. It just doesn't work out for me a lot of times. So that's one of the reasons why I have those rules. Really, it's not even for other days. It's more or less because of how hard I am or not hard I am, but how trash I am on Fridays, that I have, if I, hey, you failed twice on Friday, I'm done. Like, we cutting it. There's no reason to give back what you've done all week. Hey, you're down $800, but look, you're still up over $4,500 for the week, or whatever the case may be. I have to think from that mindset of, it's just one day. Let it go, move on, and we're going to do what it do. We're going to continue to push forward. So I went on and cut the trades. Did I have to? No. Could I have let them continue to go? Yes. Was my targets even bigger? Yes. My actual target was from here to here. If I was in a live account, this would have been my target, where I would have taken profit right here. So, give or take almost 16 points is where I would have took profit. So yeah, nice winner chicken dinner right there. This is, maybe I'll do something in sim, just to, I guess, get a little time going here. All right, NQ. Oops. NQ. I had a trade sitting right here. Now this one was a little different, because actually it wasn't here. I had it here because of where we've been overshooting this level. And so I actually had it here. I had it here, came, of course, got filled, and it started going to the moon here, it's still moving up. Like, eventually we could test highs, which is what's going to happen over the weekend. Some of these lines are going to be taken out, because we're running through some of these lines, and they're not adding any type of resistance or support anymore. So what I typically do for that is I'll go to the 4 hours. But yeah, so got in down here, and I was like, man, this hurt. This hurt, because I know NQ. And so I ended up, getting in here, and I took 30 points. So ended up getting out around here. And I mean, look at it. Like I said, on a normal day, I wouldn't have gotten out. My normal take profit would have been up here. And then also, depending on how I was running, as y'all can see, just looking at the candlesticks, I probably would have scaled. I wouldn't have taken it all. I probably would have scaled out here. Took my stop up here, so still take profit both ends, but then just kind of seeing where this last little piece go. Do we run for the highs? Right? Do we run for the highs? If not, oh well, we're here. We are here. So yeah, those are two trades I took, 2 for 2. It sucks because they were such great setups that as I do my analysis in the morning, and that's what I do sometimes, I'll see, and I'm like, because I'm a levels trader, I'm like, ooh, this is it. This is the level right here. This is exactly what I'm about to take. I'm about to take this level. I'm going to take this level. Yeah, this is what I want. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to happen. So I took it. I'm sorry I didn't get that live with you guys here, but that's what we did. It's good to go. All right. So let's look and see what some of these others are doing. Because what I'm looking for now is, I will, if we come back here, I'll take a trade, right? I'll get long. If it doesn't leave us, if we get a pullback here, I'll go long. And then let's go back to ES. What are we looking at for ES? Oh man, kind of the same thing. See if it doesn't leave us here. I'll get long here if we can kind of get a pullback to this area. All right, let's go to oil. And what I'm gonna do, we'll take this thing to the open. or at least a little bit past 9. If we get those trades, then we'll see what happens there. Oil, honestly, we're in an area that I'm just not too keen on. I would love to see a pullback in this area and then go long, or a push up to the around this area on a retest and then go short in here. But we see, I don't like in this type of area here because we could chop around for a little while. Not sure. We'll see what we do after the open. See if we can find something. If it gives us a direction. All right, and then gold. Um, I was looking at gold. I would like to see more of a retest in here to get long, or I would short if we can't break this area. This area could be a good area to get short in. So we'll see what happens here. Let me see. Oh, oh man, cause it's gonna be a short one today, man.
You done already did something?
I already took 2 trades, and I'm up over 2,200. So
okay, yep.
Yeah. So what happened, and that's what I what I was kind of walking through, was ES and NQ. Actually, I had put 2 trades on. I just put them on the charts. So I was like, "Ooh, take this." And this was when I was doing my morning setup. Well, hit the live button, 8:30. Next thing I know, both of them got filled. I'm like, all right, well. And so and I come back here. So as you can see, we can start with the ES. You see the push up. But I mean, and that's what I was explaining. Like, uh, let me see, because I think, does this show better when I do the full screen? Like, did it make a difference?
No,
Like
I
you
didn't
being
make
able
it. It didn't make it larger.
Okay. It just, I guess, and that's what I was wondering, if I went to full screen, if it makes it a difference like it does for me, for someone that's watching. Okay. Well, either way, um, so what I did was, I was looking, and at the time it was up here, and so I set along right here, not thinking it was going to happen that quick, and so literally at 8:30 it pushed down, got filled, and started taking off. And so I got in here and I got out of here. I would have still been in the trade. And that's what I was saying. If we weren't in the combine, I would not have gotten out of the trade.
Yeah, I was here for that. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you saw that. So yeah. But yeah, so it came here, got in, NQ pretty much the same thing. I got in right here. I had put a trade right here. I got filled too. As you see, they're both pushing up. I ended up manually closing them because I had my targets, but I'm like, ugh. I'm P&L watching. Like, that's gonna be, doing the math, like, ooh, that's if I stay in this trade, it's gonna put me close to 50% of my of the rule. So it would have been if I would have let it go the whole way, it might have got close to 4,500, and I didn't, of course, want that. So I just closed them out manually, just closed the trades out. And so, yeah. And then now I'm just kind of looking, but I guess you said, but this doesn't, even me going full screen, it don't make it any bigger on your end.
Mm-mm.
Okay. All right.
Now, when it took us both out and the screen was just by itself, it got bigger.
Okay.
But I don't know if that's I know that's a template, but then folks couldn't hear you.
Okay.
Because it's backstage.
Yeah. And then that's the part. Yeah, right. That's tough. But because, like, if you go full screen, it'll be a lot better. for you. Let me see. Last time I tried to share this, it did not look right. Let's try it again. Let's try to share this. So, and then this
Yeah, it's let me, and you know what? Let me check from, because I have the live stream, the StreamYard view. Let me actually go to YouTube, turn my volume all the way down and see. Let's see what I see.
let's see. All right, let me see.
Oh, I was about to say you took it down.
Yeah, I did. Let me see. Because I'm trying to see. The last time I tried to do this just did not look right. See, there you go, acting crazy. Let me see if I share this. Wow. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see it on. I'm looking on YouTube. I can see it.
So you see Ninja?
Yeah.
This Ninja chart.
Okay.
All right. Let's get out of here. Because last time I did it, it did not look right. So
yeah,
now
crazy.
It looked crazy. This time it looked crazy. I can't see it.
Yeah, it's hard to. I mean, I don't know what I'm looking at. This is what it looked like. I'm on YouTube.
Hold up. Oh, wow. Okay, give me a second to try to figure this thing out. Yeah, it looked weird. All right. Let me try to figure it out. And that's so because and honestly, like, let me see. Maybe I'm trying to figure out because I know and I'm sure part of it is because of how many screens I got. Let's see. That I need to figure this out. How to kind of like share this. Let's see. Why it looks so small? I mean,
you brought it closer. It zoomed in.
It zoomed in a little bit, right?
Yeah, it zoomed in.
It just, I mean, I can hear you. You can hear me. I guess it's just the fact that, I mean, of course, now you can't really see us. And maybe that's, I mean, that'll work. That'll work, I guess, a little bit, right? I'm trying, because I know people like, man, I mean, we see the areas, but we want to see it like actually and live. But I'm like, I be trying and it just be looking super, super weird for whatever reason. I mean, and I don't know if it's because of how this is, right? Using StreamYard and not just using like a different meeting. Because you said going to full screen. Like now I see it perfectly, but that's because I went personally to full screen. So
I can see it. I just can't make out what's happening.
Okay.
Like I don't even. I could. I could. Excuse me. I could see the candles. You know what's really throwing it off is what is that order flow or that volume?
Yeah. Let me see.
I think I mean, you probably need it, but so you can see where the volume is, but that's what makes it hard to really. That's part
to
of what makes,
really
and also make the chart black unless that throws you off.
think
Like
black will be
Trader
better.
View, yeah, I think black will make it pop. Don't forget you got your text black too, though. Oh yeah, that's much better. But then you just got to change.
I don't know. Maybe. How's that? That.
Yeah, you can read that. I can read that now. Now,
So
I'm just looking at gold, just seeing what it's doing.
and we also I've been trading micros, not minis, so that also just kind of put in perspective, people that I'm trading. Which I mean, if I was trading minis, it would definitely look a whole lot different. Um, mm, yeah, I feel like I'm in no man's land with this one. I mean, I could take it like to this next area and see what it does, and you could possibly have that whole, because you literally, I'm pretty sure, as you can see, you see this trend line here, and it's looking to kind of break it, I mean, it's broke it, and so it's broke it, look for it to come back here, or you can look for it to push up. I'm more of that. I know some people, and see us like draw. Let's kind of make like a trend line. Let's start here, right? Ain't gonna be perfect, but I mean, give or take. So I know how some people like to have the pullback. Okay, we broke. So either they would have already been in this trade from this area long, or come back up in this area to see, or let it push all the way back up here. The best trade would have been to have been long already, but and that's why I say we kind of in this no man's land, where if you didn't get in already, I mean, unless you got some type of other analysis that you do, might be a little tough to kind of jump in. All right, let's look at gold. And yeah, so me, volume is a very big thing for me. So I mean, I could take it off, but as far as seeing where I'm looking to take trades, it's rough. So I mean, of course, I'm looking here. I've already, and this also gives people an opportunity to see what my NinjaTrader, how I set it up and look at it, how much cleaner it is. So because I use TradeView for more of the just setups every day, and then what I do is I come over here and switch them, and add lines that I'm looking for, especially for today. Now, I'll still look because intraday, if we're getting closer to other areas, then I'll start to add those lines in. I like to keep this fairly clean. Um, personally. That's wrong. I'm on the wrong one. And we come back, get looking for a little pullback. There I go. I go long. See what happens there. And so, oh yeah, it looked like we like that push up, that push down. Might get left behind here, which is fine. Then, because it's hard to see, it's literally right on top of the point of control. If we break that and hold that area, that might be very interesting. I don't know if we would get this on gold. Not sure. We'll see. That's what I'm looking at, though. We broke. See, this. If we was already in this, it'd been great around here. But like I said, I don't chase. I'll just wait to see what happens in here. But it could definitely be one of those come down, boom, and shoot back to this area, which is what I would have, if I was to take it, I really would have liked to see. Yeah, let's look at gold. Yeah, gold just kind of playing around for a second. Let's see. NQ might have a shot to see what it does here. Does it want to, push up, or will we get a little bit of a woo? What happened there? Well, we in it.
Where you at?
I think I'm in both. Bro, I'm in both. At the same time. Oops, I think I put the wrong thing in over here. And I did. Order canceled. Order submitted. Yeah, I don't know. You saw that little pop, like it might not be good. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yeah, they both trying to push down. Yeah, they both push down same time. Order submitted. Order submitted. The only thing that got me nervous, especially with this one, anyways, is that we're sitting right on top of that point of control, and I need to get that push. There you go. Get that push. Push, 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 push. Because, if we able to get below the POC hold, then you're like, all right, time to take risk off of the trade. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Right below the point of control. Let's go on and take the risk off. Do we want to take it off? Where we at? We up 22 points. $23, $22. We fighting. There we go. Push, push, push. Y'all know me. As we get a couple ticks from take profit, I don't play. I don't leave nothing on the board. I'm not taking an L on no trade. Come on. We're getting closer. We're trying to hold below it. And they fighting, man. Do we move to take profit? Or do we feel comfortable? We're in sim. Let's see how it play out. Could be, because I mean, what? We about a couple points from take profit. Could have gone. All right. Okay. Now we're not going to play this time. We're pushing down. I'm going to put it here. Take profit. And if we drop 10 more points, I'll start playing with my TP here. It's free trade. You know what? Let's do the same thing here. Let's take the risk off these trades. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push down. Push down. Man. Ugh. Let's see, man. Pushing back up. Push to this high volume area right here. Exactly.
Now, which one are you looking at?
So this ES look like I'm finna get my come back for pretty much break even there. Both of them actually. Look like both of them about to get taken out. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Now this is in Q. It came real. Both of them actually came like super close to my take profit uh, from my stop that I put in take profit, but not my actual gold TP. Because this one is 35 points. But took a risk off. What time is it? 9:10. Let's see. If one of them drives down, that'll help. But like I say, if not, this is how I be in two trades at once sometimes. This one might take me out. It's coming. It's struggling. Is it gonna get it? There. Yep. No, it keeps rejecting. It's trying, but then it keep rejecting every time it get right there to it. Let's see. Is this the pop that it needs to take it out? Mm. Man, I keep thinking it's taking us out, but it's refusing. Will gold come back? Mm, we'll see. Ah, I could have got back in, huh? Which one of them tapped me out? Okay. NQ is a dunner, goner. I'm still in the ES trade. I don't know. After taking it out, Q trying to take it. Yeah, came back into the area could have guess gone long on oil to see a good retest, solid retest. It would have been. Still there. Gold gold might be a player in gold. Let's see what happened here. Man, I don't know. See how that thing pushing down? We in it. Oof. Oof. Yeah. Oh, what is that? I don't know what that. See, this my Sam is playing. Oh, so, ooh, Gold not playing. Gold pushing down on him. All right, we're still in this one as well too. Let's see what gold. Gold got a lot of strong movement right now. Oof. Oof. Ooh, we taking a little heat. Nah, that's not much heat. Oh, not now. I don't know. Go say we not happy. Go say we not happy. Go say what you want out of me. Oof. That thing pushing down. That boy ain't playing, ain't it? To the sky. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We still here. It's pushing down. Come on. Watch this. Look at NQ. I already knew it. Pushing back down again. Trick. Mm-hmm. Where you at, Gold? Where you at, boo? You know you my boo, girl. Do what you do. Oh, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Man. Stop playing. Push back up. You know you want to go up. You know you don't want to be down here in the slums. You want to shoot to the sky. Mm. Okay. Okay. I'm patient with you, girl. Man. I'm patient with you, but you don't want to be patient with me. Is this coming down? This one coming down. NQ. Maybe that was a jump. Yeah. Could have done that. All right. Come on, go. Come on, go. You showing strength to the upside. Yeah. Let's go. Yep. Yep.
Long.
Yeah, I'm long. Yeah, I went long. You see, it's right there. That's the one that's on the screen. Long go. Yeah. Pushing. Push. Oh, there you go. Yep. Yeah. Come on. I like it. So as of now, I'm long gold and I'm short ES. ES is coming back up now. Huh. They don't want to push down. I could have changed here because we got this high volume node here. I was hoping for a continuation to the downside, but maybe not. Then we in gold as well too. We being patient. Honestly want to see it break this area to then retest. So as we getting closer to the open, see, this is when I don't be tripping because I'm all, you know, if I'm still in the trade as we approach the open, I'm okay with that. See, it don't want to go. And now you just sitting. You sitting on the POC, which is right here, point of control. We'll see what she does, what either one of them do. And it's just sitting here. Push up. Push up, go. Patience. Patience, young grasshopper. Mm. Mm. You don't like it? See it come back that strong, man. I don't like that. That's not what I wanted to see.
Come on with gold.
Mm-hmm.
It's looking like they want to push down.
Look like it. Let's see. Do we want to stay above 3,400? That is the question. That's, we don't break down there. I'm not really worried too much until we start breaking down there. So now we pushing back down again here. So now you like, no. And this is what you have to stop yourself from doing sometimes. Is just remembering risk reward. You've already taken a loss off the table, so you're like, let me go on and take it. Let me go on and move or take the profit instead of just kind of letting it do what it do. Here, man. Let's say, as long as we stay above 3,400, we get below 3,400, I start sweating a little bit. As long as we stay, otherwise I ain't sweating too bad, I ain't perspiring too bad. But, I thought we had a good thing going. You don't love me no more. Mm. $9.22. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Woo.
Gold pushing down.
Mm-hmm. Whew. Whew, whew, whew. Woo, woo, woo. Calm down. Calm down, gold. You like going up, not down. I'm still in this trade. I ain't mad at being in that trade. I love to. I definitely go long down here for sure. But let's say go long, push back up. Where you at, gold? Push down. It's fighting. Come on, why you don't wanna?
Cause I'm done.
You out of there?
Yeah, I'm out.
I'm still not out of there. No, sir. I told you until it break 3,400. I'm not nervous about it. I'm not nervous. I'm over here playing with this one. Thinking of, we'll see where we at. Woo! Here we come. Woo! Woo! Now we getting a little nervous. Mm. But
that's
hey,
that's a level.
yeah, we got
Oh man.
stops. Hey, we got stops for a reason, baby. We got stops for a reason. We got stops for a reason. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I'm done. I think I'm done for the day. I think I'm gonna just watch. Ooh, it's hitting it.
Mm. Whew. We getting taken out. Mm. Reject, baby. That's what I likes to see.
Hmm.
Hey man, we ain't freaking out yet. We ain't freaking out. You know what I'm saying? We still here. Ain't no freak out. I move the target. Honestly, I move the target just because if we don't get taken out here off of the open, we could definitely go back and test this point of control. And then see, this is what we talk about. See, this is how like you still can be up or have a minimum loss day. Possibly, it's even if because we took profits on one trade, we're in profits on the second trade. Now we're taking a loss right now, but honestly, realistically, I'm gonna keep it a buck. I probably should have went long in this area instead of up here, which is why my stop is below here, but I should have went long in this area. That would have made more sense. I thought we would have got a bigger bounce than we did, uh, but it's all good. It be like that sometimes. We still in it. We still don't know what can happen because once again, this is support here as well too. So as y'all can see, this thing it keep bouncing off of that area anyways too. So
Yeah.
I'm if it hold it more than likely it's gonna take it out. So which as you can see, it's trying, and we about to go into the open. So here, mm, it's chopping around though. I mean, I could have took the long, chopping around. That would have made more sense, honestly and truthfully, was to get in down there. But I didn't. It is what it is. See what happens. Can we go 3 for 3? Stop. What NQ doing? Okay, NQ is pushing down a little bit. If NQ continue to push down, it could help drive this trade down to get to take profit. And so I'll watch this to see. Because once we go here, if we get here, which is resistance, I may move my take profit again. Because you remember, originally this was what my take profit was. Eh, okay. Come on. Come on, go. Don't play. Push it up, baby. Be cute. Hey man, we got stops for a reason, cuz we got stops for a reason. I know one thing. If we get held up in here again, I'm moving to break even. Got took out on this one. It is what it is. So we took minimal profits on 2. And now we want the big push on gold. We want gold to push up for us. I don't know if gold want to push up for us though. What's CL doing? Building a nice little area here. NQ pushing up. Pushing down. Man. Gold? We might that gold trade ain't looking too sweet. It ain't looking. We need a strong push back up to the upside. We ain't getting it. We getting a strong push to the downside. Now you want to do it? Come on, go.
It took you out, right?
No.
Oh, you still in?
I'm still in it. I didn't move it. I ain't moved my stops. It's still in it. In it to win it. Let's go. Push, baby. Push, push, push. 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 Look at this. Look at this. Ain't that something? Look at it. Boom. Let's see. When we get filled. Come on, push up. Hey, we struggling. We struggling to break this little area, huh? We still playing in it. There we go. All right. Oh, I'm in another one. I think I got filled on NQ. Yep, I'm short NQ. I don't know about that one though. To be honest with you, we'll see what happens. I should have kept. I wanted to get in here in this area, but let's see what happened. Taking it down, point of control area. I see you go. I see you, boo. I see you, big sexy. I see you. I need to see what it do right here though. And if we done held, no, I'm not doing that.
That's a level.
I'm not doing that.
Pushing down.
I don't know. Should I take it?
For which one?
Go.
Can I take profit?
I don't.
It's about to push through that line.
All right, so this is what I'll do. If we come back here, I just gonna All right, we break back below here. I go on and you right where my profit was, so I'm not gonna lose too much. Because that's past the take profit. I keep moving it. I keep moving it. I want the 12 area for sure. Let me come back here. I'm gonna get out. I ain't gonna be greedy. I ain't gonna be too greedy. I got to feed the needy. Ugh. That's how we gonna do this. All right. Let's check on this NQ. NQ, we're almost to take profit. Will we? Ooh, I don't know. Man, see when I tell people NQ moves, like NQ moves. So the PLC is right here. I'm come on. I'm gonna see. I'm at least trying to let it get to the PLC and point of control. Come on. Keep coming. There you go. What are you doing? There we go. Where we at? All right, we getting that close to peak. We not going. I'm not. I can't do it. I can't. We just gonna trail it up here a little bit. All right. So we here. That's 10 points. It's all good. Could have took the profit. We out of there. All good. Let me see. This what I'm saying, man. This be them days. What am I like? That's so live. I went 2 for 2. Sim, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4, 6 for 6. Be like that.
Hey, I'm looking. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 6 trades. No, I'm sorry. I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades.
How'd you do?
All green.
So for my sim account, over $3,000, and then on the live account, 22. We got some in there, but yeah, some people, as y'all can see, I be in depends. I know some people can't do this. Some people can't trade 4 products at a time, and I literally most days being 2 to 3. I think pretty much every day I've been trading live, I've been in at least 2 trades at a time. Like every time I'm typically in 2 trades, at least. But I'm kind of used to it, and I don't freak out no more. You know, before I'd be like, oh man, how the heck I got in 2, 3 trades? My mind is going crazy because I can't micromanage the trades. As you see, I don't micromanage the trade. I'm pretty much the same way in sim or not in sim. You know, at this point, I don't micromanage the trade. I could be in the trade. I will still flip back screens, flip charts, see what I need to be look at that. You see how I came to the POC and then shot up?
Yeah.
Took it down from here to the POC. Boom, we good to go. Now shooting up. ES doing the same thing. This is where I had my take profit originally. Come down here, toe tap, taking off. And it is what it is. It's all good. All right, it's cool. I'm cool with that. Okay. Oil, I think I've mentioned this multiple times. Sometimes I trade oil, sometimes I don't. You know, oil is probably the least traded, commodity for me as far as what I trade. And boom, look at gold. It was just no sense for me. I was trailing it, and I felt like it was going to continue to push up. And definitely, this little area right here was going to be a key factor, because I was definitely looking for that 34.16 area. And that's because that this area that we're coming into, 34.16 was is a previous level. So that's what I was looking for. And honestly, I didn't even put it on the chart just because, but I'll put it on there now. 34.16.6 could possibly get like a
dang, go shooting up.
You know what? We finna see.
It's getting to a level too.
We finna see if this level holds. It may not. It might. I just want to see.
Let me see if it's any updated news. Okay. Because you see that news, don't you?
Oh, what's the news?
Gold trades higher on rising Mid-East tensions and falling dollar.
Okay. Well, way that's looking, this trade might not be a good one. But hey, I have a level there. I'm gonna take that trade every time. If it pop, I
Just trying to see.
So yeah, I mean, like I said, this is because we're coming to a level here, very good resistance area. I'm like, you know what? Let's just see what it does. And
yeah, I'm looking.
I would take this.
Back down.
It's rejecting. We'll see, but it may reject and then just continue to take off. I would be looking for a little bit of a rejection here, and then push down. This is gonna be the last trade of the day. We ain't gonna hold. Let's see what this one do. And then we're gonna close out, but because now just because it fits the mold and the level. But look, like you said, because of what's going on, rising Middle East tension. Yeah,
ooh, it looks like it's kind of.
We probably gonna get took out, which is fine. It's fine. That's why you got stops. Because it's not showing any type of pullback at all. It's just pushing up. So I wouldn't want to continue to go against that at all. Whoa. You see that?
I think you might be Is that gold?
Yeah, that's pushing down. Yep. You know what? But it's still not holding. You know what? We in it. It is what it is, right?
You in short?
Yeah, I'm short. I'm short. I'm not long. I'm short. Yeah, I took the short because of the level. Um, you hit me with the little news, but I mean, you know how you gotta stick to what you do. You know, unless it's like big press release type news, I don't typically worry about the news. I stick to my plan of how I trade, what I'm looking for. This fits it. And if you get taken out, you get taken out. It's it's coming back. It's pushing back down. Um, I would uh I would like to see a nice push down from here. Like I said, it's gonna be it. And this is when you have to trust the process, right? Now, this, but also my level seemed like it's flipping on me too, right? Like it has not. There we go. It's finally breaking through the level. All right, it's pushing down, but mm, it's trying to anyway. And this is where this comes, right? To be able to pick your stop, right? Like, how you do that? Um, Based on ATR, based on the level, based on what I'm looking for the market to do. It's all of that. Um, I'm looking at it. So I'm expecting for we're coming to this 3412 area to be an issue, right? It could possibly be an issue. Um, what do I want to do? Knowing that we're entering that area and it's rejecting, but now it's pushing. Uh, Break through it. There we go. Breaks through that. Oh yeah. So now I'm here looking for here. So whichever one, I don't want to. I don't want. Do I want to go to totally break even? Yeah, I don't, because it could come back right there. Free trade. So what am I watching? I'm really gonna watch this area tight. This is what I'm seeing. If it shows rejection, I'm gonna I'm definitely going to pull this down. I'm looking to see if we can get in here though. Ugh. Mm. What's that 8? No. Yeah, but it kind of did push down because this is about from. It is about 8 points. So
Mm.
ATR is 8.5. Mm, from where its highest point is. So let's see. Here we go. Come on, girl. So I am currently up on this trade about 800. Was now it's dropped, pulling back. There we go. Come on. I expected to have trouble in this area. Let's see. We put in a double bottom on a lower time frame. Let's see. Free trade, whatever. Oh man. So mentally, how you feel? You like, cuz you let that thing go 5 points. You ain't taking none of that? You know, how do you feel about that mentally? You know, saying like, man, you that thing come back, you literally only gonna make like $100 on this trade.
and that happened to me a couple of times. I'm like, you know what? I'm just taking my 100. I'm out.
Cause you like, I mean, cause you know, you literally go from like close to $1,000 to, oh man, you literally taking like right at $100 on that trade. Like you gonna give all that up. So like mentally, how is that digestible? You know, kind of digestible for you? If that would have happened, I mean, personally, this line right here. This is where I'm really seeing the hang up at, and where I'm like, okay, let me see what it do. It's still pushing. All right, okay, push through. We pushing through. Sis, I'm, you know.
Just so you know, every time it hit that level, that upper, let me make my screen bigger so I can call it out. That 3418 zone area, if you slide the chart and look at previous days, around that level, it ended up coming back down. That's what I was looking at. So that's a strong resistance line.
I mean, we got really close to TP. I'm not.
You just keep trailing.
You know what I'm saying? It what it is. Take it. You know, because ultimately this area was my what I was looking to take profit at anyways. But I mean, look, as you can see, you looking at over a 2-to-1. You know what I'm saying? Like all my trades are over 2-to-1. That's how they start, and then I'm in take profit. Now, I figured that if I have my take profit here, but look, man, that's like, I don't get caught up on semantics like that. We talking about what, maybe a point? Like, I'm gonna not get out of the trade because of a point. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, nah, I'm taking that point. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather give that up, or or move, what I got going on, because guess what? We don't. I mean, one, look at it. It may continue to push down. Cool, but I took 1,300 on that trade. That was an extra trade for me. I was done. I was over $3,000. Now I'm at 4,500.
I'm 16.
4,500, 7 for 7. Hey man. And it's not even about the 7 for 7. It's the execution, right? To watch the execution in itself. Because I'm pretty sure you kind of looking at some points. It's like, ooh, you ain't gonna get out, and it's like, nah, I'm not gonna get out. I'm gonna take my lumps if it come against me. I'm gonna take my lumps. You know, take a loss. It's and that's that repetition. And this is what people don't teach you is you gotta get confident in what it is that you do. You get confident in what it is that you do, ain't no stopping you. Because if I take that trade, right, and I end up taking a loss, okay, take it on the chin. I took a loss. Now, if I keep taking the trade and I keep taking losses, now it's like, whoa, okay, what is it that I need to do? Because clearly I'm not seeing something and something is going wrong. I got to get it together. I got to fix whatever it is that I'm doing to make sure that, you know, I can continue, you know, down the path that I need to be to, you know, continue to progress and get better. It's that simple. And, you know, it's what it is. Coming back, I'm not, you know what I'm saying, if it would have took off, it would have took off. Hey, would nobody have been happier than me? But at the same time, you don't know. And it's no sense of being greedy when you are well over 2-1 already that you've made. So you know how some people are like, oh, 50% go to break even. Well, I mean, the trade's well over that. So am I gonna let it come back to 50%? I mean, I already went to break even.
Yeah.
So you know what? I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna play. I could sit in it and we could turn back around, go back down, test the 3,400 area, and then go back up again. In a perfect world, that's what I would really be looking for. Going back down, testing that 3,400 area, and then getting back in. And this really trusting your process. I'm like, okay, this level right here, I'm gonna take it. Having trust in what you do so much, like, well, I'm gonna take it. This follows my plan. I'm going to short. Think about it. Look at the candle. Look at this. That shows if you really dissect this, it really shows breakout. Like this thing really wants to start, you know, break above that level and continue to the upside. If you really look at it, analyze it, you got the pullback you wanted down here, and then boom, you got this level right here. But kind of like you said, also it has rejected off of this area. But usually, you know, sometimes when it done rejected multiple times,
and also that's a
push up.
It's not perfect, but it kind of looked like a head and shoulders.
I'm looking. Push up, pull back, push up, pull back to the sky.
Mm-hmm.
But here it is. You got a level, and you like, I'm not. And this is what makes people's strategy different. People different. Like for one, I'm not. I know some people look for home run trades pretty much every time. Hold on. maybe that was just the pullback, right? Just because of the bounce off of that level to now, it could possibly shoot back up. Maybe not. Or like I said, at this point, I would want to see what it does at that 3,400 area. Either break back above that level we just took the trade off of, or come back down and test this 3,400 area and then see what happens. And then I might be a goer. Look at oil. Had that, it's broke above the trend line, kept playing around, now it's shooting up. So now we coming up here is where I would be looking to be a player, because the long should have been in the long, but that's one of those long-term plays where you just kind of probably let it cook and sit in. But I mean, I would think it will continue to the upside there. Long here in this area would have been the one, but for sure would have been the one. Long down here. That's crazy. NQ, what did it do? So like here, now I would be looking, see if I can carry this. You might not. See if it get filled. Might not. What time is it? Let's see. And then, so I do have times I could move my entry. But I want all of it. There you go. Filled. Will we get the push up to this area? And so this is one of those, like, I don't want to take no heat. Like, this is one of those, like, I would want to be a huge trade. Otherwise, just take me out. And look like it's gonna get taken out. Just fine. It's a couple points, but I would have looked for it to come all the way back up here, because that's one of those. It's either gonna push or, look, as you see, pushing down. I don't want no real risk on that, but I'll take that sometimes. I mean, you took a couple points on, took $250 loss.
You reduced the contracts?
No, I didn't have any. I only my risk was only a couple points.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's like, it's either gonna push up on me or it's gonna start to turn and then push down or chop around, which I'm not even a fan of. But once again, I would have put the real, if I wasn't up so big, I would have put the real risk on. But it's like, I'm done. And now it's like, these are the things that you could do that just kind of help with your mental, with your psyche. It does for me anyways, right? Where it's like, you kicking yourself because you're like, man, I see a trade, I should take it, but I don't want to take a full loss on it. So you're like, well, it's either going to take off and go or not. So now you take it, lower your risk. You're already up 4,500. Okay, you want to risk 250? I mean, I could have put the real risk, as you see, it's going up, but it did have a little bit of a retracement there. I just didn't want to, mentally, I didn't want to do that and then take the loss, because mentally I'd be like, in my mind, like, why'd you do it? Where now I'm like, it is what it is. I'm good. I tried it. lost 200, or you know, because it hit a little different if you know you do that and then you go in seven, you know, and lose 700. You know, 200. All right, I'm cool. 700, you like, now I'm in the 3 grand. Maybe I should, you know what? I should let me put it back on. Let me do it. Oh, I'm revenge trading. I feel some kind of way. Oh, what is gonna do to me? Oh, look at it. It's going against me. I don't know what to do. So then you gotta now. See, this we talking through revenge trading right now. Well, I definitely gotta put my full stop on now. And then, you know, if it happens to go against you, now you freaking out. But then another thing that'll happen, and this is me, I don't know about other people, you know, I get to looking at it, and I'm like, oh man, it's popped up on me. Let me go to break even now, so I don't take no loss. And then it take off on you. You know what I'm saying? Then it do what it's supposed to do. You done got out the trade. You feeling some kind of way because it was a winner, and you done cut it. Look at it. Look at it. So you like, boom. Took it out.
Dang.
No, it was winner. That was a winner. That was my take profit.
Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah, my take profit. So now, then that's when you like, you got away with, well, I can't really say that because that was a good trade. I just didn't put the real risk on, you know, when I put it on. That was a good trade. But even still, you know, getting back in, I should have just done that in the first place. But yeah, so you know, now you at 5,500. So you like, okay, what should I do? Call it a day. Call it a day. Call it a day. So different strategies fit different people. It all depends on what people do. I know some people that just have, I mean, hey, taking the first trade here, they have that mental capacity to be able to say, you know what? This is the best place to take it. You know what? Okay, we broke above the point of control. You know what? I'm just going to break even. I'm just going to see where this thing end up. I've seen some people literally have a trade down here, right? Get in this area, have it go all the way up here, and then just let it come right back, come all the way down.
Oh, no, sir. I'd have been trouble.
I'm like, I don't know how you have the mental capacity to do that. So even if I feel what's happening here and we're trending up and we're pushing up, I'm scaling out. Like, I'm taking some profits. I'm not letting that possibly come back, right? I'm not letting this come back to here. That's me personally. What gold doing? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. We're coming into this area, but that's gonna be it. All right, I give people their time back. We'll be back tomorrow, same time. I'm wondering if I should start before 8:30 because that's 8:30 is my time where I actually can take trades. So today kind of missed my actual live account trades, and so y'all been seeing me trade in sim, but all good, good one. Hey, 2 for 2 take profit trader. We are over halfway to the goal, so that's always a great thing as well too. Hopefully in the next couple of days we'll be taking take profits to payout account, and then y'all can see the journey of getting payouts in this, because I know take profit, you can literally start taking profits out, after the first day. You don't have to wait 10 days and all this like some of the prop firms. So we'll be good to go. All right, man. Same time tomorrow. Let's get it. Hope y'all killing it.
All right,
Peace.
catch y'all later.